So kids are silly, and that's good, but sometimes that silliness gets out of control. And so one of the best classroom management strategies is to inject a little bit of silliness into your classroom in a way that really fits well into your own culture, into your own class community. So for me, I use the cheerful baboon. It's super simple. I just explain to the kids that the word baboon is a sort of magical word. Whenever you say it, you magically become just a little happier than you were before. And because I care about them and want them to be happy, we are going to use the magic of baboonery to bring joy into the class. So instead of saying good morning, we say merry baboon to you, my friend. And when we pass each other in the hall, we whisper
Merry baboon in the afternoon.
Merry baboon, men.
merry baboon to you, my friend. When we need to cheer up a little bit, we just let out a nice loud
Baboon!
like that, and it works. Now, I don't know if baboons are your thing, but I love how this creates a space where the kids and I can be silly together. You know, now that I'm an old man, I see former students who are all grown up, and they still remember this routine fondly. And sometimes they'll still greet me by giving me a big Merry Baboon, Mr. Tallswell.